You all should mute your mics, है ना? First of all, no one will open without permission. Yes. Have read chapter? Alaikum assalam rahmatullahi barakatuh. कौन सी नहीं बोल नहीं मरी हेलो इतनी धीरे बोलो चुप ना रहो लेकिन धीरे बोल ले थोड़ा सा कैसे कि हमार मैके में कुल आवाज दिया जाती है तो देहाती से बोला था हम बंद कर दिए बोलो लेकिन वालेकुम अस्सलाम रहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू let me check how many are you यार 10 students have read chapter I sent you yesterday uh, take care that no one will open your video है ना you know very well है ना because recording is going on so my voice is breaking okay I'll try to make now it is coming properly now it is clear okay so I am asking that have you read chapter yesterday I have sent you yesterday night have read it more than half chapter was done that day है ना that day we have read that chapter we have started the chapter yes Yasir Raza I am asking that day you have read half chapter so we can start today again start it reading Yasir Raza read first 3 sentences start beta yes first you have to read the name of the chapter after that yeah yes beta what is the meaning of the this chapter's name يقظي سعيد ما معنى يقظي قضى يقظي قضى يقظي قضى يقظي means to holiday अच्छा to spend yes to spend قضى يقظي means to spend Ijazatun means a holiday, which is given by the school. Yeah, yeah. Now, now read the sentence. Minal madrasati, beta, read properly. Hmm. Today is not there. Alyom, where is Alyom? Alyom is not there, na? Kuntu, I was. Kuntu, I was. Hmm. 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 Minal madrasati? Yeah. Yes, yes. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Talab tu min walidi. Talaba yatlubu means? Talaba yatlubu. Ha, to ask permission. Talabal izn. Ask permission. Izn means permission. And talaba yatlubu means to ask, to take, or to want also it comes. So, talab tu min walidil izna. I ask permission from my father. Hmm. Hatta azhaba ila baite sadiqi. My friend Muhammad's house. Ila baite Sadiqi Muhammad house. Muzakara? No, no. Muzakara means to revision, for revision. To revise the chapter for revision. Yes. Anyone, the next one? Kala walidi. It is not waladi, it is walidi. Walidun means father and walad means boy. So Kala walidi, my father said. Ataul Ghalib. Ataul Ghalib. Unmute your mic and read the next three sentences. Next three sentences. Ataul Ghalib, read. Habiba, you can read. Yes. Yambagi. Yambagi. Whose mic is? Yes. Hmm. Hmm. Al-lazima. Al-lazima. Yes. Wakazalik al-kutub. Yes. Yes. Yumkinu means it's possible or you can. You can go. है ना? Yumkinu antazhaba. It is possible that you can go. So you said you have translated. You can go, but yambagi. Huh, necessary. Yambagi means necessary, but it is necessary. Imbaga yambagi means necessary. It's necessary that you have to take with you. Yes. Beta, complete it na. Yes. Anta khuza ma'aka. Habiba, voice is not coming. It's necessary that you have to take with you all the necessary things for writing and as well as books. وَكَذَلِكَ الْكُتُبْ, and like that books, and means as well as books. Yes. My voice is breaking or your voice is not coming. Habiba's voice. Now, Zain, Muhammad Zain, read the next sentence. Read the next sentence. From where you are reading? Wait, now she is reading, so let her complete. Habiba, complete the sentence. So complete the sentence. Necessaries of writing. Yes. Uh, and as well as kutub. Yes. As well as the books. Yes. No. Afshan, don't interrupt. Yes. Complete it, Habiba, quickly. ينبغي أن تذاكر الدروس. Hmm. Or it's important also, you can translate. And it's important to, to revise the chapters, to revise the lessons with your friend. Hmm. 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 Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Now, now the next one. Now the next one. From here, a new sentence is going to start because full stop is there after al imtihanu qaribun. Yes. So new sentence. Afsha Iftikhar. Now read, but read it properly. Do yes, quickly. Ta'khudhu is there. Afsha, Afsha. First you have to look carefully the Arab. It is antakhuza. It is not antakhuzu. After an fi'l mudari should be mansub, so it will be antakhuza. Sandvi tashat. Sandvi tashat. Ma sadiqika Muhammad. Yes. Yes. يلزم it and you should هنا يلزم أذن and you should أنت يلزم أذن أن تأخذ معك الفطائر and you should take with you the edibles and the sandwiches Fatair is coming, it is Jama of Fatur. Fatur means breakfast. Breakfast, but breakfast is so breakfast is not coming here. Here the edible things we are taking in snacks and other things which we are taking in breakfast. So you should translate it. You should take with you some edibles and sandwiches, and it is necessary for you wallaka, and it is necessary for you to distribute it with to divide it or distribute it to with your friend Muhammad. Yes. Now Zain, Muhammad Zain, Afsha, mute your mic. Yes, Muhammad Zain, now read. Qalat walidati. Hmm. Adadtu. Zain, adadtu, it is not adatta. Adadtu laka. Turid, turid, turid. It is turid. It is not tarid. Hmm. Wahal turidu anta khuza maak. Yes. And well, kaka means cake. Hmm. Do you want to take with you hal turidu? Yes. And would you like to take water bottle with you also? Also, azan means also. Yes. Then next sentence. Qala Sayyidun. Anyone else? Muhammad Umar. Yeah. Read. Muhammad Umar. Qala Sayyidun la ya ummi. Hmm. Start reading quickly. Hmm. Zamzamiyata. Fi baiti Muhammad. Complete the sentence, na? Yujadul ma'ul baridu wa nazifu. Read properly. Look carefully the Arab, then read. Yes. La akhuza zamzamiyata wa la akhuzu ta'ama. I will not take the water bottle. Yes. Cold and clean water is hot. Baridun means hot. Very good. Baridun means Baridun means cold. Yes. Cold and clean water is found. Complete it. Indom sallajatun. Yes. There is no indeed. Inna is not there. They have a big. Yes. Now the next one. Now the next one. Next one. Fareha Javed, you are saying? You raised your hand. Fareha Javed. Now start reading. Start reading the next sentence. Saufa akhuzu ma'i. Hmm. Jubnati. अकलातिन कसीरतन। अकलातिन कसीरतन खलाला सातिल मुज़ाकिरति व बादहा। Yes. Now translate. Saufa akhuzu ma'i. I will take. Huh. I'll take with me. Huh. Breakfast will not come. Beta, you can say that snakes or huh. The snakes of cheese है ना, snakes which is made of cheese. तो फतायर जुबनती snakes of cheese لأن محمدا يحبها because Muhammad likes it or loves it. والأشياء الأخرى غير ضرورية and other things are unnecessary. وذلك and because لأن means because لأن means because बेटा that is don't tell हाँ Muhammad's mother हाँ तुकद्दिमु लना gives us offers us oh don't taqaddama lana offers us or gives us a lot of things to eat. Yes, during khalala saatil muzakara, during revision and after it means where when we are studying she gives us to many edible things and after it badaha after it. बेटा लना अकलातिन कसीरतन अकलातिन मीन्स edible things है ना edibles. तो she offers us or she gives us many edibles खिलाला सातिल मुज़ाकरती during the division time and after it. Yes. Next one, Abdullah. Who is Abdullah here? Zubia is there? Zubia? Zubia, are you here? Yes. Who? Tell your name. Abdullah? Yeah. Yes, read. Read the next sentence. وَفَوْقَ ذَلِكَ إِنْ أَخَذْتُ مَعِيَ الْأَكَلَاتِ. Yes. فَوْقَ ذَلِكَ. فَوْقَ means moreover. बेटा अब فَوْقَ means moreover. Moreover, it will hurt them. Zalika yulimuhum. It will hurt them if I will take edible things with me. In akhaztu mail akalat. If I will take edible things with me, it will hurt them. Hum unasun tayyibun. They are good people. Wa zuyu and they love the guests. Yes. Repeat it, beta. Repeat. I want that you have to. Abdullah, you are not listening anything. Abdullah, beta, I am telling you that you have to repeat the translation which I have done. Do yourself also. Too quickly, time is going fast. Yes. Moreover, yes, moreover, وفوق ذلك يلمهم إن أخذتم مي الأكلات. Yes. Abdullah, what happened? Do quickly. Hmm. Hmm. If, हाँ हाँ with me. Yes. Hmm. Yes. Hmm. The next sentence. Read the next sentence. Hmm. Anyone else? Kuntu fi tariqi. Hmm. Hmm. Kuntu fi tariqi ila baiti Muhammad. Kuntu, I was. Kana means was. Kuntu, I was. Hmm. I was on my way to Muhammad's house. Suddenly I meet Nabil. Is comes for suddenly. Yes. Yeah. Anyone else? Next one. Who is raising hand? Did anyone else? Who is raising hand? Muhammad Maru, you have read. And Abdullah also. Abu Bakr Huzaifa. Abu Bakr Huzaifa. Too quickly. My voice is coming to you, Abu Bakr Huzaifa. Yes. तो बेटा read ना. काला नबीलुन. Don't waste time, beta. Time is not too much. Hmm. You cannot read. So tell me कि I cannot read. I will invite anyone else. Zubia, you are not here. Zubia, she hasn't attended the class till now. Let me check who is there. Fiza Farah. Who is Fiza Farah? Mariam Khan, Iqra Rahman, or Salma Ghalib. Zubia, you are here, so why not listening? What? What are you asking? Voice is not coming. You are not following the students who are reading. You should open your books in front of you and you have to follow the students now who are reading. One by one, I am asking you all. You have to read from here. On second page, from here, you have to read Qala Nabilun Aina Tazhabu Ya Said. Abu Bakr Huzaifa, mute your mic. There is, calling Zubia Ahmad. Zubia, no one is there. Faria Javed, you want to read again? Now read. Start reading. فقال نبيل أين تذهب يا سعيد Voice is not coming. Faria, your voice is cracking, so leave it. Listen carefully. I'm Umar. Read. Faria, mute your mic, please. Voice is not coming. Faria Javed, mute your mic. Now, Umar, Umar Khan, is there? Muhammad Umar. Read. From here. No, no. अरे two line before. Two line before. قال نبيل أين تذهب يا سيد. Look, look there. It is coming na. Is لقيت نبيلا. After قال نبيل أين تذهب يا سيد. Before this line you have to read. Huh. Hmm. 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 I was on my way to you. I was going to you, or I was on my way to you to revise the lessons with you. है ना لنذاكر الدروس معا, to revise the lesson together. Hmm. تأخرت. Hmm. Hmm. I said you became late. ولم تبلغني مقدما بذلك, and you didn't inform me about it before. And you didn't inform me before. Yes. फला बासा, no problem. فلماذا لا تأتي معي, तो why you are not coming with me. نذهب سويا إلى بيت محمد, we will go together to Muhammad's house. So you are not reading up, time is going to be up, that's why. You are disconnect now. Saviyan, nazhabo saviyan means together. Saviyan means together. Man. है ना? It is also coming for together. Nazhabo saviyan ila bayt Muhammad. We can go, or we are going together to Muhammad's house. فقال نبيل من محمد هذا. ومحمد هذا. Nabil said, who is this Muhammad? قلت هو صديقي. I said he is my friend. Yes. Abdullah, are you going to read? Because so many students are not connecting. I'm not understanding what happened with them. Do it. You have read? Yes. Zubia, read the sentence from here. Read the chapter. Faqala Muhammad. Just now you have joined. Okay. So you haven't listened. Acha, you have to read. I am telling you to from here you have to read. Faqala Nabilun on second page. From last it will be sixth line. Faqala Muhammadun. Faqala Nabilun man Muhammadun haza. Page number second. Hmm. Man Muhammadun Haza, who is this? Better translation also. Zubia, translation also. Translation also. Hmm. Who is this Muhammad? Who? Eighth class. Eighth. Muhammad is yes, an intelligent boy. Hmm. Sofa means I told you that sofa comes for huh, in understanding the lesson. Fi fahmi durus. In understanding the lessons. Hmm. And halla yahullu. Halla yahullu to solve. And he will solve us the yes difficult questions. Difficult questions he will solve for us. Hmm. إنه يرحب بك أيضا إن شاء الله. Hmm. He will welcome you. Of course, he will. Inna means of course, he will welcome you also if Allah wills. है ना? Inshallah. हुआ सदीकुन ली हमीमुन. Yeah. He is he is a close friend of me. He is a close friend of me. Sadiqun Hamimun. Hamim is close, bosom. He is a close friend of me. Hmm. Yes, I am agree with you. Attafiqu. I am agree with you. Who's Abu Bakr Uzaifa? Mute your mic. Hmm. Yes. Tazakkartul an. I remembered now. I remember now. Huwa zalika waladu. Hmm. Yujidu, Zubia, yujidu, Ajada yujidu to be good. Yujidu Aizan. Hmm.